This is Natasha here from Eggtronic. I am going to be unboxing Eggtronic's Sirius Universal Laptop Charger. Now, as you know, ordinary laptop adapters are incredibly bulky and heavy. The basic design and charging technology inside of them hasn't changed in decades. I'm sure you have experienced the frustration of trying to fit the big AC adapter your laptop came with into your laptop bag or hand luggage. The Sirius solves this problem. Eggtronic used super intelligent technological advances to create a lightweight charger so small it fits in the palm of your hand. And it's not only for charging laptops. Sirius is a universal charger that can charge all your devices. Sirius is not only the most versatile 65-watt charger in the world, but also the smallest, lightest, and most power dense. Let's take a closer look. Inside the packaging, you'll find the universal laptop charger and a 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. We can see here on the bottom of the charger the USB-C port. Sirius Universal Laptop Charger is a single adapter for all your mobile USB-C devices. A full list of device compatibility, along with available converter cables for non-USB-C devices, can be found on Eggtronic's website. You can find a link above the comments. Here we can see the cleverly designed folding prongs. When the prongs are folded in, the charger is compact and easy to carry in your pocket or purse. When the prongs are extended and plugged into a socket, Sirius is flush to the wall. There's no risk of the charger unplugging, and you can maximize space behind furniture or other hard-to-reach places. On to the technical specifications. Sirius is smaller than a deck of cards. This intelligent power charger responds to most USB-C devices with the advanced USB power delivery output. That ensures universal compatibility by automatic smart detection of different voltages and current. Sirius is, well, serious about quality and safety. This focus extends to the device you are charging, too. Using the adapter actively preserves your device's longevity through a cool running feature that ensures low heat emission during use. Sirius equals quality. There are a lot of tech accessories out there that are cheaply made and can really harm your device in the long run. Eggtronic doesn't cut corners with quality. We follow the strictest international standards and are certified by top organizations, including UL and the USB Implementers Forum. Not many other companies can say the same. Compact yet powerful, Sirius is the most energy efficient and eco-friendly charger on the market. An incredible 93% of the energy used by the Sirius is converted and put into the device that is charging. This high energy efficiency rate allows Sirius to generate more power while reducing energy costs. All this is made possible thanks to Eggtronic's groundbreaking Volta technology. Volta is a completely new power conversion architecture that uses state-of-the-art gallium nitride transistors. These transistors are much faster and far more efficient than their old, slow silicon counterparts. So Sirius is both powerful and green. Sirius was designed at Eggtronic's headquarters in Modena, Italy. We believe that cutting-edge technology deserves only the best in Italian design. The product comes in either white or black and has an anti-fingerprint coating. Sirius Universal Laptop Charger helps you travel better and saves you time, energy, and money every time you plug in a charging cable. If you've enjoyed this video from Eggtronic, you might enjoy learning about some of our other smartly designed mobile chargers and accessories. Until next time, and thanks for watching.